guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're gonna go through all of the new Free Assembly, Scoop, and Sofia Vergara. And if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. New jackets from Free Assembly. They have the smaller collar, the little shoulder detail, button on the wrist, the 2 flat pockets, seam detail in the back, and these are going to be $32. New denim skirt from Scoop. So this one has the fading, this little seam detail, color block on the sides, and then pockets in the back, and these are $24. So seeing the Sofia Mega Flare jeans in the white. So these have that high rise, this seam detail. These are really hard to find in stores. I think these were actually a return because there's only one store that had them fully stocked in my area. And then they also have the seam through the back. Whenever I do try-ons with these, everyone asks where they're from. So don't wait, and they usually wait to restock for a whole year, and these are only $26. I think I should get these today because they're my size. New barrel-like jeans from Scoop. These are high-rise. They have that seam detail, whiskering, and then pockets in the back. They're going to be $28. New off-the-shoulder dress from Sofia Vergara. So this has that tier. It says 2 ways to wear, so you can wear it on or off. Elastic with the drop tier. We saw some other pieces with this. It also came in like the pants. There's a halter top, and then also this halter dress, and those are $26. New halter neck top from Sofia Vergara. So this one has that crisscross detail to textured flowy material, open back with the elastic in the blue, black pom, also the pink and green and black pom, and they are going to be $16. New set from Free Assembly. This one has this smaller collar, full button, the rhinestone detail, has the cuff sleeve. We did see this one in the white and the blue stripe, and now they also have the shorts to match. So these are pull-on, flowy, the same kind of rhinestone detail. They only have the stripe here, and these are going to be $24. New blazer from Free Assembly. This one has this smaller collar, lapel, the tortoise button, relaxed to the wrist. It is completely lined. They're going to be $38. And then also from Free Assembly, another online only. So this one has that scoop neckline, relaxed fit. I love this textured material. Has the drop tier, also has the belt to pull it in, and this one is going to be linked down below. I have the Sofia pull-on jeans. These have an elastic waistband, side pocket, fit and flare. I love these. And they also have a new color in this little twist dress from Free Assembly. It has the thin strap, this twist detail, seam, relaxed fit, tiers to the front, also in the back. We saw this one in the orange, and it'll be linked down below. New color in the Scoop scuba pants. So these have the elastic waistband, drawstring. They have the pocket through the leg. These are on clearance. They're under $15. I picked them up in the gray, and I traveled with them. They're so comfortable. These are these new high-rise pants from Free Assembly. They have the 2 front pockets straight through the leg with the cuff. Also seeing the Scoop vest in the white for the first time. So this one has the thicker strap, square neckline, functioning buttons, has that same fit through the back. It has that linen texture, and these do run a little on the bigger end, so you might want to size down. I also mentioned it in the last trends video that we're seeing lots of fruit, and then the Free Assembly line that just came out has so many lemon pieces. So this one has that crew neckline, full button, the puff sleeve with the rib bottom in the blue, also comes in the white, and they're $26. And also in that same beading, there's these new tanks from Free Assembly. So they have the thin strap, squared neckline, also squared in the back in both the white and blue, and they are going to be $20. New color in the cardigan from Scoop. This one has that rounded neckline, fabric covered buttons, the same kind of fit through the back. We saw the black, now it's in the solid white. So that one looks like, and they're $34. New little tank dress from Free Assembly. This one has that high neckline. It's sleeveless, seam detail at the waist, flowy with the eyelet trim, that same fit through the back, and they're $28. Also new sweater tank from Scoop. So this has that higher neckline, this little rib detailing, also the rib trim, really good length in the green, also comes in the black, and they are going to be $18. This is from Sofia Vergara. They have the thin strap, this little knotted detail, dropped here, that same fit through the back. In the green, also comes in the black, and they're $26. New linen short from Sofia Vergara. So this one has a belt, has the high rise, this little paper bag trim with the side pocket, flowy through the front and the back. In the black, also comes in the white with the black, and the shorts are going to be $24. Also new belted jeans from Sofia Vergara. So these are high rise, they have the belt, pockets, it's a wide leg. This one is the straight super high rise wide leg, and they are going to be $26. Sneak peek shorts from Free Assembly. These have the tie, pockets, relaxed fit, the same fit through the back, and these are $22. They have white, and then they also have that mid-tone denim. New dress from Free Assembly. So this has that scoop neckline, it has that flutter sleeve, it's a linen texture with the belt, also has the side pockets, it's same flowy fit through the back. In the green floral, also comes in the white and blue floral, and they are going to be $28. Also new puff sleeve top from Free Assembly. So this is a thicker kind of stretch material. It's really soft. It has that plunging V, the little shoulder detail with the ribbing, relaxed fit, ribbed bottom, same kind of fit through the back, and they're $20. New dresses from Sofia Vergara. So these have that halter neckline with the braided strap, sleeveless, pleated, flowy, with the keyhole in the back. Comes in this black floral, also in the green Aztec print, and they're $30. So new pull-on style jeans from Free Assembly. These have the drawstring side pocket, also has the cargo pocket. These look like they're a cropped fit through the front and the back. Sneak peek dress from Scoop. This one has the smocking, the little puff sleeve, flowy skirt through the front, and then it continues around the back. Comes in the white, also in the purple, and they're going to be $28. Right next to that, I didn't get a chance to tell you guys, but they did stock these in all sizes. I know when I showed them in my haul, they were only available in plus, but now they have extra small too. I think either 3 or 4X. But these have that squared neckline, the thicker straps, full button, has that same fit with the seam in the back, and they're $28. This is from Free Assembly. They have the scoop neckline. It has this zip with the dolman sleeve, drawstring in the waist, nice and flowy, that same fit through the back, and they're $34. Pretty is this dress from Free Assembly. So it has the thin strap, that V neckline, this really pretty corset style seaming. I love this burgundy color with the belt, and then it has that same fit through the back with the smocking. So new striped dress from Free Assembly. So this one has the thin strap, that squared neckline, seam detail at the waist, flowy skirt through the front and the back. I think this one is online only. Also new flutter sleeve top. I just ordered this online, and I'm pretty sure this color is on sale. So it has that crew neckline, eyelet flutter sleeve. It's a nice longer length through the front and the back. These are $16. But like I said, I think they're on sale online in the navy. I think the other colors available are full price. New skirt from Free Assembly. So this one has that band at the top, pleating, embroidered lemons through the front and back. It matches really good with this little tank. And these are $28. New color in this boat neck top from Free Assembly. So this one has that straight across hem, the little cuff on the side, relaxed fit. It's the same through the front and back. We saw the stripe. It also comes in the white, and these are going to be $12. Color in the puff sleeve dress from Free Assembly. So this has that tie detail. It has the puff sleeve, drawstring at the waist. We saw this in the white. Also has that eyelet trim at the bottom. Same fit through the back, and these are $34. Free Assembly, they have that thicker strap, the plunging V, zip front with the 2 pockets, fit and flares. And then that same fit through the back with the seam detail. They are going to be $28. Also new sleeveless tanks from Free Assembly. These have that high neckline, sleeveless, a stretchy material, really good length through the front and the back. Comes in navy, also in white, and they're $8. New jumpsuit from Free Assembly. So the woman from Walmart that went to the YouTube shopping event was wearing this. And she had it styled nicely. She put a little scarf around her neck. It looked really cute. So it has this smaller collar, full zip, belt, nice flowy leg, cropped through the front with pockets on the back, and these are $34. Also new short sleeve sweaters from Free Assembly. So these have the rounded neckline, it's ribbed, relaxed fit, gold buttons all the way down, has the 2 front pockets, and then the same fit through the back. And this is a black and white stripe, also comes in the solid white, and they're $24. These new dresses from Free Assembly, it has that high neckline, flutter sleeve, it's a ponte knit material, relaxed through the front, and then also in the back. Comes in white, also in the navy and white stripe, and they're going to be $22. Also new dress from Free Assembly. So this one has that plunging V, the flutter sleeve, elastic through the waist, tears all the way down. Same kind of fit through the back. And these are going to be $36. Also new short sleeve sweaters from Free Assembly. These have a crew neckline, has the ribbed sleeve, and then also the ribbed bottom. Same fit through the back, and the navy also comes in white, and these are going to be $18. New cargo pant from Free Assembly. These look like they're mid-rise. They have this same detail, flat pockets, elastic through the waistband, and then it has the same through the back with the flat pocket, and they are going to be $26. Also new denim skirt from Free Assembly. So this one has the full gold buttons, the 2 pockets. We also saw that boxy top that matches back to this. Also has the pockets on the back. And these are going to be $22. New pull-on linen pant from Scoop. So this one has the look of a zipper. It has that high-rise, wide leg through the front. Same fit through the back. In the beige, also comes in black, and they're $30. Also new belted skirt from Free Assembly. So this is a full button, has the tie, that same detail, fit and flare with elastic in the back. In the stripe with the orange gray lime, and then the stripe that we saw in that dress with the blue. And they are $26. These shimmery Scoop sweaters are so good for year-round. You could just keep it to throw on over your shoulders. This color is going to go with so many things. They also have blue, and then I think pink. They have that ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. Regularly $26. They're now on sale for $10 and change online. New color in this smock dress from Scoop. So this one has the thin strap. It's a squared neckline, that's the front. Poplin, thick flowy material in this floral. Also comes in the purple, and they're $30. In the return section, they have these Scoop belly flatsies. Have the square toe, they're mesh, and the little strap. Also new button sweater vest from Free Assembly. This one has the plunging V, functioning buttons with the ribbed bottom. Same fit through the back, and they're $16. Also new dress from Free Assembly. So this one has that Scoop neckline, flutter sleeve, smocking, flowy fit through the front and the back. In the white, also comes in black, and they're $28. New tanks from Scoop. So these have the thicker strap, that Scoop neckline. It's a smoothing material, really good length through the front and the back. In the white, also comes in black, and they're $14. They also have in the same material these plunging VTs. So these have that V neckline, cap sleeve, that same smoothing material. In the white, also comes in black, and they're $15. So wide leg pants, denim, trousers. These are from Sofia Vergara. These are a high rise. They have the whisker and flowy. Same kind of fit through the back. Also comes in that later wash, and these are going to be $24. Also new dress from Free Assembly. So this reminds me so much of House of CB. It has the thin strap, the Scoop, the little tie, seam detail on the waist, flowy with the smocking in the back. Also new poplin dresses from Free Assembly. These have the bow sleeve, functioning buttons all the way down, fit and flare with the smocking in the back. Comes in the stripe, how cute, and then also this blue and white, and they're $34. So new Scuba dresses from Scoop. These have that higher neckline, has that thick little like trim with the underarm coverage. Relax fit has the side pocket, also has the slits on the side. That's what the material looks like on the inside. And then the same fit through the back comes in gray, also in black, and they're $24. Also new sweater vest from Free Assembly. This one has that crew neckline, sleeveless, ribbed bottom in the white. Also comes in lime, pink, navy, and white stripe, and they're $14. And then this is actually, I thought it was zebra, but it might be a palm print, but it could go either way. This is just a little wrap, sarong, scarf, whatever you want, multi-ways to wear from Sophia, and this is $18. Also comes in this palm print. New Sophia Vergara swimwear. How pretty is this print? The pants have that smocking, they're sheer, nice and wide leg, has a slit. I love this set. I usually don't like a one piece, but how pretty. The gold ring, it's a nice fuller back, and the swimsuit's $36. The pants are gonna be $24. Also new set from Sophia Vergara. So this one has the mid-size strap, has that squared neckline completely aligned through the front, and then that same fit through the back. The top is going to be $22, and then the skirt is pull-on. It has that elastic waistband, midi length. So it's sheer, about probably like past the knee, and these are $26. I showed these in the Scoop Free Assembly video. First time I'm sharing it in the shop with me. So these have that high rise, the whiskering, color block through the leg, seam through the back, and they are going to be $28. New denim from Sophia Vergara. So these are high rise. They have the belt, the flat pocket, nice and flowy with pockets in the back. This is the Margot wide leg super high rise, and they are $28. Comes in this mid-tone, also in that really dark wash. New eyelet top from Free Assembly. This one has that ruffle trim with the elastic scallop, relax fit. Also has that scallop bottom with the keyhole in the back, and these are $24. And then it also comes in white, and then right next to that is that same style in a dress from Free Assembly. So these have that scallop trim, scallop through the sleeve, same fit through the back with that same keyhole. And also new dress from Free Assembly. This one has the thin strap, the little twist fit, and then the drop tier with the smocking in the back. And these are $26. High neckline, full buttons, has this little gathered detail, a gathered wrist with the button. I thought it was elastic, and then that same fit through the back. These are going to be $24. I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.